I'm Joe, and I'm at Livezey Dam and Fern House here, Fairmount Park at Livezey Lane. And it's such an unusual day, I decided to risk coming down here. It's a place of the old canoe club and Wissahickon Valley Club, Wissahickon Valley Park, yeah. And they can't run any canoes today, I see. This is the October 2nd, 2010 storm, and Livezey Dam. There's something else in it. A lot of people come down here and take pictures. Trees snapped off in this weather. I don't see any of them floating here though. I got steps one time. Steps right down to the creek now. There's steps there. That trail's all washed out. Yeah, Livezey Lane, Wissahickon Valley Park, Fairmount Park, Philadelphia, PA.